Today I'm going to take you into the tailgate of our camper. Huge spacious floor area there, step up into, and over here onto full queen size bed. Lovely big windows on both sides, some optional reading lights there, and a great fan for those hot nights. The roof is fully lined and perfect slope, so you can sit up in bed without hitting your head, even if you're a tall person. Come down below the storage area. We have the luxury of a diesel heater in there, and the ladder area. I'll just pull that out for you. Underneath there is room for a porta potty, and there's the step up into your bed. If you like, you can have the option of a table, so you can sit in this area in luxury in inclement weather. A couple of big storage drawers on this side, one each. And up above we have the swivel light. That comes as standard. Turn it on and off and swivel it around. Around the other side, lovely big open space. There's our dual cab camper over there. We're at the Mildura show. Last day tomorrow, so come in and have a look at the Tailgate Camper.